Sir and Mom, my name is Joylina Parota, 44 years of age, married and have one child. I am college graduate and I am from Tagbilaran, Bohol, Central Visayas, Philippines. I have my working experience in Hong Kong for 8 years. I served a family of 3 at Chun Mun New Territories for 6 years. My duties and responsibilities is to taking care a 6 years old child. And I do laundry, cooking basic Chinese food, I do marketing, and car wash. My second employer, I serve a family of 5 at Yuen Long, New Territories, Hong Kong. My responsibilities is to taking care one pet, do laundry, marketing, cleaning the house, and taking care elderly. Mom, sir, if you're giving me a chance and choose me, I will try my best to do my responsibilities with honesty and dignity. Thank you and God bless.